Hey guys, so I'm here and I have the HitScrews, a 20 piece of them. So here it is. I'll open it up close to y'all before I kind of look at it and test it. So here we go. Oh man, these are nice. Okay, so there we go. It comes with every single PH2. What do we got? PH2. Yeah, it's just a whole bunch of them. So here we go. I can take it out of here if I want, put them wherever I want. But let's put them in here and let's take one out and look at it. Oh yeah, so these are nice. This is what it looks like. Let me put my hand behind it for y'all. These are what they look like, HitScrews, and then they come with the double bottom. So these honestly look like they'll work really well. I mean, I'll plug it in right here and see what it feels like. Yeah, I mean, that does really well. So, I mean, I like this. It fits in just a normal head. And there we go. So, I mean, it comes with a pack of 20 of them. So, I mean, you will not be needing to buy any more recently. And these are nice little screw heads. I mean, I like it. And it comes with a good pack. So, I will not need to buy any more for a while. And they're kind of extended a little bit. So, it's kind of nice how it works, and it makes it easier to get to the screw because then you're not dealing with a short head. So those are nice. I mean, I'm definitely going to use them and keep them with me, and especially with the whole big old pack like this of 20 of them. So I give it a thumbs up. It's perfect.